Welcome back, everybody. Our international chef friend Daniel Green has been busy the past few months. How's this for a resume builder? He opened a new restaurant in Malaysia. The whole menu based on grilled, healthy foods and built around 3 signature sauces that you created, and you're here to show us how to do it. Welcome back, my friend.
Nice to see you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a great project.
You opened a restaurant in Malaysia.
Yeah, 6,000 miles away.
That's amazing.
Well, it's a wonderful whole putting together really my philosophy on food. It's at the Grand Hyatt, and it's called the Pool House with Chef Daniel Green. And everything is built around grilled food, which actually is very healthy.
Sure.
But instead of serving it with potato every dish, we do a few vegetables and roasted cauliflower.
Great.
But what I wanted to do is design these 3 sauces. So you've got these signature, very exciting sauces that go with every dish that really are a good way to kind of cut down on maybe, bottled sauces and things that aren't so good. A Salsa Verde, which is a European version, different than the Mexican one.
Okay.
Then we've got a Korean barbecue that I'm going to make now, and a Truffle Mayo. Those are the 3 signature sauces. Now, I know a lot of people can't make it all the way to Malaysia, so I thought let's show everyone how to do it here.
Awesome. Saucing is a big deal, right? For the home cook, it's like next level.
Yeah.
Bring us up to your level, okay?
Well, the thing
what do
is,
you want to make first?
Often we go wrong when we start grilling the sauces because they burn and it doesn't come out great. So
After.
I want to have these after. I want to have plain, simple grilled food. Salt, pepper, season it really well. We've just got tomato sauce.
Okay.
There's ginger. There is a little bit of garlic, and there is going to be your sour, which is vinegar. Then we're going to add a little bit of sweet, which is the maple syrup.
Maple syrup, okay.
So you can use sugar, anything that makes it sweet. That's kind of traditional barbecue sauce now, not much different. We're going to season it up with some soy, and that's going to give it a little bit of salt. We're going to add sesame oil to give a little bit of that Asian
that's a big
flair
deal.
and wonderful color, and then we're going to kick it up. This
Salsa?
is the Korean sauce, the gochujang sauce.
Gochujang, I got that in the fridge.
Oh, well
It's
then add it to your barbecue sauce.
It's hot.
It thickens it, and then you've got a really delicious, powerful barbecue sauce with not many ingredients. That's
Can I
number
try?
1. I would love you to
Let
try.
me dip in there. Let me just get in. Oh, baby. That's so good.
Spice level?
4 out of 10. Great.
Okay, so
Great.
you want to kind of keep it, you can
Hot.
always add a bit more.
Totally doable.
Now.
Wonderfully, that tastes great. The ginger's huge.
And
it's
now,
really great.
a truffle mayo. That's
Truffle
kind of
mayo, okay, yeah, for the
we go
fries.
to restaurants now and we see truffle fries and we see
Right.
all those kind of flavors.
Yeah.
Now, ideally, what we do in the restaurant, the Grand Hyatt, we're going to put the egg yolks and we're going to emulsify that with a truffle oil. That's the best way to do it. But a lot of us don't want to make our own. So what we'll do is we'll take a mayo, but use one with an olive oil base, because that's going to be much lower in saturated fat.
Got it.
And then we're going to put in a little bit of truffle salt.
Truffle salt's one of the best ingredients you can have in your kitchen.
Oh my goodness,
love
isn't
it?
it?
And it goes a long way.
It does. It's got real flavor. And now, in 2 seconds,
Coming
we've
in
got
hot.
A truffle mayo.
Boom. Yeah, I mean, all day.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Then we're going to do a Salsa Verde. Now this is brilliant with everything from seafood to chicken, and that's why we've done the 3, is it works with the lamb we serve, the seafood, it works with everything.
And they're quite a bit different. Every
They're all
one of
very
these are different.
And you can, people have their favorites. So Salsa Verde is really, in the South America version, is very different. It's much spicier, and this is all about freshness. It's more the Italian, which just means, real creamy salsa.
So the Mexican version is all about chiles, but here you use capers and...
No spice.
No, okay, I see.
It's about the 2 herbs.
Yeah, what herbs are you using?
So we're using tarragon and we're using basil.
Okay.
Basil. And then we're throwing in...
You can say basil and vitamin C, it's okay.
As long as we've got subtitles. And then we've got and then we've got some capers. We've got some garlic, Dijon mustard. And that goes in there. And then what we do is we just add olive oil, and we've got a little bit of vinegar that was in there. And then
This would be good on a steak, man.
It's great on a steak. It's great on everything.
Is this kind of like chimichurri?
It is a little. I mean, you just get all this freshness. So what you're really getting here is just an incredible, burst of summer. It's got that tarragon just penetrates straight through. That you can make in advance. The olive oil does preserve it, so you can make lots of it. So what do you think of that?
I can smell the citrus. Yeah, let me get in there.
Hopefully
Thank you, sir.
Got that garlic pureed in time.
That's so good. That's probably my favorite.
Well, it's it's just fresh, isn't it? It's like, if you, especially outdoors and you want to serve that with a salad, put it on a piece of grilled fish. Actually, fish is just stunning with it. Shrimp, salmon, love it.
Okay, so real quick, we got to wrap up here.
Yep.
If people don't have all these ingredients at home, what is the key to just making a great sauce with stuff you got in your fridge? I got 20 seconds.
I mean, just do fresh. Just use canned tomatoes, and you can use that. Always do sweet sour. So do a sugary based, which is maple syrup or sugar, tomato, add some white vinegar. If you've got herbs, perfect. Garlic is always a winner.
Awesome. Hey, congratulations on all your
Thank
success,
you.
and thank you so much for showing us these sauces, man. I think I
Thanks.
might make one of these this weekend,
Oh,
tomorrow
love it.
perhaps. Appreciate it. Chef Daniel Green, again, outstanding on your success
Thank you.
and in that restaurant. What do you think about the Korean barbecue sauce?
Oh
Is
my
that a
goodness.
hit?
I mean, that is so exciting now because people like spice, but they don't want just pure spice.
Yeah.
So it's got a lovely balance.
Great.
If you could try one thing, I definitely would do the Korean barbecue sauce. And you know, the only ingredient you may not have in your pantry is that Korean chili sauce, and you can buy anywhere now.
Yeah, awesome. Hey, did you know that Captain Hook got his hook at a secondhand store?
No, I didn't.
See how funny that was? It's so funny, it went right over it. No, dad jokes, next.